All right, guys, this is the Craftsman 20 volt, 2 gallon, I like to call it the job site shop vac. It uses a 20 volt battery here. This is just a 4 amp hour, very easy to attach. I like this shop vac because I can carry it pretty much anywhere I need to go. You got your on off switch here. You have a 7-foot hose here, and it wraps up nicely. It's expandable. Really like this thing. This is a wet dry vac, which is very nice, so you can use it to clean up little messes here and there. I tend to use this quite a bit for a wet vac. Now if we open this up, in here we've also got a HEPA filter. Very easy to pull that off. Take the filter off for a wet vac. You can either suck or blow on this thing, so if you need to dry something out, this is the suction, and this would be right here where you can plug that. You can put this in here and you can essentially dry stuff out, which I really like. That's a great option. There's also another attachment here for smaller spaces. I don't have it on here right now, but this attachment is here for carpets, small things like that. That goes right on the front. Like I said, there is another attachment. It has a longer nose on it for those small crevices. Just a really nice tool. I love this thing going job site to job site. So easy to carry around, and it's small and it's battery operated, which is great too.